All right, welcome everybody to MICKARIO'S MTG and Sports Cards. Today we're doing a booster box break of the Force of Will, the Moonlit Savior. All right, let's get right into the break. See what we get here. There's the bottom of the box, and it comes with pretty nice top there, and should be 36 packs, I believe. All right, 36 packs. Get hype. See what we get. Pack number 1. I'm just gonna speed through this for you guys so you guys are not watching the longest video of all times. Heavenly Instrument Hydromonica, followed by a foil Crescent Moon Magician. Crescent Moon Magician is our foil in pack number 1. I'm gonna make a stack for you for a second and then start sorting. Wait till I'm done with each row. Oh man. The struggles. Jesus. All right. Pack number 2. Blade of the Seven Lands, Excalibur X, followed by our foil, Demonic Commander. Demonic Commander, our second foil card. Pack 3. Sorry, I gotta turn off autofocus on the camera. History Demonic Globe, the Earth, followed by foil, Memory of Disappearance. Pack number 4. Interdimensional Vessel, Apollo, followed by our foil of Kijuda, Sacred Ox. Sacred Ox. This is Izanaki, Keeper of the Seal. Foil Shining Strike. Darkness Magic Stone, followed by foil Orb of Disaster, Ifrit Glass. Orb of Disaster. Water Magic Stone, And a Moon Breezes Memoria foil. Moon Breezes Memoria. Memoria, actually. Memoria. Temple Monk. Fire Magic Stone foiled, followed by a foil of Fallen Angelic Destroyer Lucifer. Fallen Angelic Destroyer. Got 2 foils in that one. Blessings of Athena. Orb of Disaster. And a Thumbelina foil. Thumbelina. Thumbelina. Wind Magic Stone and a foil. Peasant Revolt. Foil of Huanglong, leader of the 4 sacred beasts. Flower Kingdom foil. Okay, we are done with the first stack. All right, here you go, Kevin. Second stack, here we go. Disasters Memoria and a Black Moon Fairy. Black Moon Fairy. Rook Egg. Foil of Valentina Puppet Monarch. Puppet Monarch. Next foil, Seal of Shining Bamboo. Added Resonator cannot attack. Next foil after the Magic Stone is a Moonbreeze Elf. Moonbreeze Elf foil. There it is. Come on, camera. Focus. Finally. Camera focuses. Alrighty. Next pack. Light Magic Stone And another fallen angelic destroyer, Lucifer. And I guess our first double foil. First double foil. Orb of Disaster Ifrit Glass foil, followed by a Nighttime Raiders foil. Drill Sergeant, foil of a Water Magic Stone. Magic Stone foil, and a Isukiyomi Noble foil. Tsukuyomi Noble. Nice artwork on that one. Foil Wind Magic Stone, and a Blessing of Athena. I like the art on this one as well. That's pretty cool. And a foil of Coop Dat Mastermind Sion. And a Rook Egg foil. Rook. Tina, Titan Revenge. Keeper of the Present Verdandi foil. Keeper of the Present. Almost done with the second stack here. And a Izanami's Curse foil. Last pack of stack number 2. Foil Disasters Memoria, and foil Wall of Wind. Wall of Wind. Here we go, Kevin. Another stack for you. All right, last stack. Seal of Shining Bamboo. And a Sion's Hymn. Sion's Hymn. Murdered Mordred the Traitor. Murdered the Traitor. Darkness Magic Stone foil, followed by a foil of Drill Sergeant. Light Magic Stone foil, followed by a Maribel Insane Self-Aware Machine. Powerful. Come on, camera. And we got a Valentina's Resistance this time. Resistance foil. Foil Demonic Commander. Hexedral's Memoria, followed by Seal of Wind and Light foil. The Seal of Wind and Light. Moonbreeze's Memoria. And the Executioner foil. Executioner. Fire Magic Stone, followed by a Muse Celestial of Music foil. 3 more packs to go. Foil Veteran Master. 2 more. Kaguya the Moonlit Savior foil. There you go. Cover Girl. Cover Girl foil. Last pack. Let's end it off strong. Black Moon's Memoria. Child of the Forest foil. Child of the Forest. Alright, that was our booster box break, guys. Thank you for watching. Thanks for hanging out with us throughout this whole video. If you guys want to see more booster box breaks, please like and subscribe and let us know how we did with this box in your guys' opinion. Alright, thanks for taking time to watch. We'll catch you guys on the next box break. Thank you from MICKARIO'S MTG and Sports Cards.